Hey guys, for today's video I wanted to recreate a makeup look by Natalia Makeup, and it's this right here. It is so beautiful. Unfortunately, I don't have those Fenty Beauty Vivid Liquid Liners, so I ended up using something different. If you have those Fenty products or those two colors separate, then you don't have to mix everything I did to get to these colors. You guys will see the steps on the makeup tutorial. I am not talking through this makeup tutorial. I haven't been feeling like talking throughout the video, especially this. It's super easy. It's a very spring and summerish look. I wanted to recreate this. Also because I've been on a pink vibe and I love yellow as well. It's the perfect combo. I wanted to mention, if I don't have a video by the end of the week, I will for sure let you guys know on Instagram, Twitter, and on the YouTube community posts. So make sure to check that out. I'm trying to take time for myself. I feel like I need that a lot. So if I don't have a video, I hope you guys can understand me. Also, this month is my birthday month. The other thing I wanted to mention is if you haven't seen the post on community I left, I'm gonna repost it because I'm gathering all the questions for the Q&A video. You guys can leave your questions under this video or on the posts under community, and I will grab those questions and pile them up into the Q&A video. I've also posted it on Twitter and Instagram. I will be reposting that again. If I don't answer them like at that time, it's because I am going to grab that question and put it in a Q&A video. I don't know when I'm gonna do the Q&A video just because I'm still waiting and gathering as many questions as I can. That's all I have to say. I hope you guys like this makeup tutorial. If you do, please do not forget to thumbs this video up. It really does help a lot. Please don't forget and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And I will see you guys to my next video. Bye! You're so furry, baby. Everybody loves YouTuber. Okay. You're such a handsome boy. No, don't touch my face.